Like and subscribe to Desi Engine. Click the bell button to receive the latest video.
Hello friends, let's learn about the different kind of birds today. Birds means pakshi. The first word that we are going to learn is peacock. It is spelled as P E A C O C K. Peacock. इसका मतलब होता है मोर. Say it again. Peacock. The next bird is cuckoo and it is spelled as C U C K O O. Cuckoo. इसका मतलब होता है कोयल. Say it again. Cuckoo. The next bird is pigeon. It is spelled as P I G E O N. Pigeon. इसका मतलब होता है कबूतर. Say it again. Pigeon. The next bird is hen and it is spelled as H E N. Hen. This means murgi. Say it again. Hen. The next bird is parrot and it is spelled as P A R R O T. Parrot. इसका मतलब होता है तोता. Say it again. Parrot. The next bird is crow and it is spelled as C R O W. Crow. इसका मतलब होता है कौवा. Say it again. Crow. Let's come to the next set of birds. The first one is swan and it is spelled as S W A N. Swan. इसका मतलब होता है हंस. Say it again. Swan. The next bird is sparrow and it is spelled as S P A R R O W. Sparrow. And it is goraya. Say it again. Sparrow. Let's come to the next bird. Cock. And it is spelled as C O C K. Cock. इसका मतलब होता है मुर्गा. Repeat after me. Cock. The next bird is owl and it is spelled as O W L. Owl. इसका मतलब होता है उल्लू. Repeat it again. Owl. The next bird is ostrich and it is spelled as O S T R I C H. Ostrich. इसका मतलब होता है शुतुरमुर्ग. Say it again. Ostrich. The last bird is duck and it is spelled as D U C K. Duck. इसका मतलब होता है बत्तख. Say it again. Duck. So, today we learnt about the different kinds of birds. Hope to see you again in the next class.